Brrr, it's getting cold out there. All right, this video is going to help you be able to make predictions for snow on Wednesday or snow on Sunday. Now, for us to make those predictions, the best way to organize the information is with an area model or a tree diagram. This video will use an area model. There is a way you could do it with tree diagrams as well. You'll have to do that on a different question. In an area model, we'll take our two events. We have an event happening on Wednesday and an event happening on Sunday. Your events go on each of the different sides of the box. So I'm going to put my Wednesday up here on the top of the box, and then I'll put my Sunday on the side of the box, okay? Then on those days, what actually is going to take place is it's going to either snow or not snow. And Sunday will do the same thing. It might snow or it might not snow. From there, we're going to think about the percentages. What are the chances of snow on Wednesday? Well, it says you have a 50% chance of snow. So that means you'll put in 0.5 at the top right here. That means you also have a 50% chance of no snow. That's the complement of what's left over. And then your snow on Sunday says you have a 75% chance of snow on that day, which then whatever's left over, which is the 25% chance, is left over for no snow on Sunday. Then from there, we have to fill in the area model boxes. So each box, you're going to multiply the two snow days together, where it snows Sunday and snows on Wednesday, and those get put into this box as 0.375. If you multiply 0.5 times 0.75, you get the other box the same way, 0.375. What that means is we have a 37.5% chance of snow on both days, or no snow on Wednesday and then snow on Sunday. Then to fill in the other lower part of this box, you're going to multiply the no snow times the snow on Wednesday, no snow Sunday and snow on Wednesday. That will then turn out to be 0.125. And then the same thing goes for no snow on Wednesday and no snow Sunday. Basically no snow on both days. That's 0.125 also, which also represents 12.5%. Now let's get down to answering some of these questions. The first question asks you to look at what is the chance of getting snow on only one of the 2 days. That's what you see here in the first one. Well, that means you had 1 day of snow and no snow on the other. So the only place that happens is in the bottom left corner here, where you have no snow or you have snow on Wednesday and no snow Sunday. And then in the top right corner, you also have no snow Wednesday and snow on Sunday. That's the 1 day. Now, when we answer questions like this, where it happens in either combination, that or that, we add the answers together. So if we add those together, they add up to be 0.5 in my situation. Your question will be a little different. So you'll have, for me, it's 0.5. I could also type in the fraction 1/2, or I could type in 50%. All three of those should work. Next, if I'm going to look at Sunday and Wednesday and the chance of getting snow on one or both days, well, then I'm thinking about one additional box. I'm thinking about this box right here in the top left corner. That's on both days. The two yellow ones are on 1 day, so one or both will be adding those all together. Now, adding those all together will give you a total of 0.875. So 0.875. And lastly, the one that we have in the very bottom right corner represents snow on only or no days. That means you'll have done just a 0.125 on that one. That's what I have for my question. Hopefully this makes a little bit more sense for you to answer your question, but now we know how the snow is going to fall. Good luck.